Trimigo TC06, installation and usage video. Open the package to check the parts. If any are missing or damaged, please contact customer service in a timely manner. 1. Installation of swivel casters. Place the baby crib on the floor at an angle. Take out the 4 swivel casters. Install the swivel casters into the standing tubes of the baby crib. Note: rotate the wheel axle upward and insert it into the tube. Stand the baby crib upright. Hold the short sides of the baby crib with both hands and extend them. Press the upright posts all the way down. The baby crib is now fully enfolded and in place. Pressing down the swivel caster activates the braking state. Lift up to release the brake. 2. Installation of the bunk bed. Take out the tube set of the bunk bed. A tube with a reduced opening and the corresponding tube with a flat opening form a set. Insert the plastic connector inside the bed into the tube fitting. When inserting the plastic connector into the tube fitting, the pop out of the spring bead means the installation is in place. Insert the tube with a flat opening into the tube with a reduced opening. After the assembly of the pipe fittings is completed, take out the mattress. Lay the mattress flat on the baby crib. Fold along the seams to find the hook and loop fasteners on the 4 sides. Attach the hook and loop fastener to the adhesive fastener. Installation of the storage shelf. Take out the storage shelf. Attach the 2 plastic hooks. Just fasten it in the direction of the short handrail of the baby crib. 4. Installation of the diaper changing table. Take out the diaper changing table. Flip the diaper changing table to its back side. Assemble the short tubes on both sides inside the fabric cover. The pop out of the spring bead indicates that the installation is in place. Flip the diaper changing table to its front side. Just fasten the plastic buckles onto the long handrail tubes on both sides. Fasten the side zipper to the corresponding zipper on the bed frame. The installation of the diaper changing table is completed. 5. Installation of the toy rack. Take out the toy rack components. Tie knots at the ends of the 3 toy strings. Hang the toys separately at the ends of the tripod. Take out the bottom support. Insert the middle support into the bottom interface. Then insert the upper support into the middle interface. Hang the musical mobile onto the end of the upper support. Finally, hang the tripod with the installed toys made of plastic below the musical mobile. Just fasten the long end of the toy rack base inward into the handrail. Just wind up the musical mobile's mainspring, and it will play music and rotate the dolls. 6. Side-by-side crib function. Find the adjustment buttons on both sides of the guardrail. Press the buttons simultaneously and adjust downward to the desired position. The guardrail has 3 adjustable height positions. Take out the fixing strap again. Insert the buckle at the end of the fixing strap. Connect to the fasteners on the short side leg tubes. Install the other fixing strap as well. Wrap the fixing strap around the adult bed frame. 7. Playard function. Remove the tube components of the bunk bed. Peel off the Velcro on the left side of the bunk bed. Unzip the zipper along the perimeter of the bed. Take out the fabric cover of the bunk bed. Lay the mattress flat at the bottom of the baby crib. Then open the side bed skirt. Simply secure the Velcro fasteners to the bottom of the bed respectively. So far, the introduction to the baby crib has been completed. Thank you for watching.